This is part 4 of me trying to learn the Grapevine. My name is Emily. I post roller skating tutorials 3 times a week, so make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you are a beginner and you would like to learn more about roller skating. So I've asked a couple of people to help me learn how to do the Grapevine on my skates, and the response that I often get is, nah, I don't do that type of skating. That's street skating. And in my head, all I hear is, nah, this girl, she for the streets. Like, her skating's for the streets. So that made me laugh. Moving to the left is what I prefer to do, so I'm gonna start with my right foot, right heel, right heel, left heel, right toe, left toe. Heel, heel, toe, toe. Focus on my left foot. My back wheels push forward, and now my front wheels pull back. Traveling to the left, I'm going to keep my weight initially on my left foot, and then I'm going to pivot with my heel. And now going backwards, my weight is on my right foot, on the toes, and then I'm going to pivot with my left front wheels. So pivot, toe, pivot. Right heel out, my weight is fully on my left leg. Now I'm going to turn, pivot, using my left heel to pivot. Now my weight is on my right front 2 wheels. Now I'm going to pivot the opposite way using my front 2 wheels on the left. So basically with your left leg, it looks like this. You're pivoting on your heel, and then you're pivoting on your toe. Pivoting on your heel, then pivot on your toe. Meanwhile, your right foot looks like this. Heel, toe. Heel, toe. So without moving in a line and turning, this is what my feet are doing. Heel, my weight is on the right foot, and I quickly lift up my front 2 wheels. And now toe, my weight is on my right foot, and I quickly lift up my back wheels. Heel, pivot, toe, pivot. Heel, pivot, toe, pivot. Let me know if you have any pointers for me, and good luck with it.